Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 portable digital oscilloscope. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, SDS802X804X. Specifications. Brand name, Hisatech. Model number, SDS802X804XHD. Max waveform capture rate, 80,000 WFM/s. Record length, 12-bit 7. Real-time sampling rate, 2 GSA/s. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 4. Display resolution, 1024 by 600 pixels. Display size, 7 inches and above. Weight, 2.6 kilograms. Certification, CE. Product number 2, Owen Digital Oscilloscope SDS200. Specifications. Brand name, OWN. Model number, SDS210. Max waveform capture rate, 30,000 WFM/s. Record length, 20 m. Real-time sampling rate, 1 GSA/s. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Display resolution, 800 by 480 pixels. Display size, 7 inches and above. Certification, CE. Product number 1, 3-in-1 digital oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, Multimeter. Model number, DSO3D12. Record length, 128 kilobytes. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Display size, 3.0 to 4.9 inches. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.